Hello everyone and warm welcome to our channel. Today we are preparing pork sausage pulao. First soak and keep 2 cups of basmati rice for about half an hour. Chop 1 onion finely. Chop and set aside. Take about 20 to 25 pork sausage and take out the thread of it. Cut and separate each sausage. Set aside. Next, in a heated utensil, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the chopped onion and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add 4 black peppers, 4 cloves, 2 cardamoms, 1 inch of cinnamon stick. Saute everything for a minute or so. Next, add 4 Maggi cubes. Next, add 4 cups of water along with the sausages, salt, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. After 1 boil, add in the soaked basmati rice. Cover and cook till the rice is completely cooked and the water is completely dry. And it's ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and click on the links to watch more.